Berlin has a less explored aspect, which is the relationship between the green of its meadows, the huge sectors of heavy industry, urbanization, with its lakes, river and canals, which draw its landscape through the edge. As much as Berlin is known for a time of division of political ideologies, it was always connected geographically, through the water of its rivers and canals. Berlin is one of the cities with the largest inland water network in Europe, which is why it is closely linked to the edge. The riverside should not be understood as a hard, but as a mirror, in which, by means of the reflection, both banks feed or enrich each other, resembling the optical effect produced by the kaleidoscope. The existence of different types of edges are forming articulating spaces in which different situations or daily activities are developed. Along the river and channels there are different flow widths that give certain conditions for different degrees of interaction to occur. The industrialization of Germany was basically due to the territory, natural resources and the extraordinary network of communication routes, mainly ship and train. This happened to the construction of the organic edges with prefabricated materials. The industry prevents in some areas a personal connection with the shore, directing the interaction clearly to work with heavy machinery. In contrast, in civic sectors, which also use the same edge resources, interaction is more focused on contemplation and transport within the flow for visitors, creating spaces for circulation and permanence. On the other hand, there is the edge that allows the direct relationship between nature and person, where this can even make use of the natural spa. There is a visual continuity in space. This edge invites you to generate recreational activities with a spontaneous contact. When one lives Berlin, the image of the city is linked to this articulating space, which are the waters and their reflection, which builds a landscape through interaction with its edges. The protagonist of the city is the spree, since by means of each personal perspective it generates a total image, being reflected in the constructions bordering the riverbank. The kaleidoscope resembles the waters of a river by the play of light, movement and reflection, which builds your own perspective of reality, and that is when each person establishes the edge.